To set up secure folder on a Samsung Galaxy F07, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to find secure folder, which should be located in security and privacy, and then if we scroll down to more security settings, you can find it right here. Click on secure folder and then you can read through the introduction and then click on continue. After that you can again read through it and continue. Then there's again introduction even more, so let's just wait until our secure folder is created. It may take a few moments, so just wait patiently until it's done. Okay, so our secure folder is created. Now we need to pick a password that we want to use to unlock it. In this case, I'm gonna go for a pattern right here and then just give my original pattern like this. When this is done, your secure folder should be already set up and we can move to the next step. Now you can see your secure folder. What you can do here is basically few different things. You can hide your files, you can hide your apps, but they won't be fully hidden as you will see a copy of them on your home screen. You can clone apps as well, or simply put the apps behind the password. To add those apps, click on this plus button and then select whichever app you want to add, and that way we'll have a calculator right here, for example, that we can access to secure folder, and it should be a different calculator than the one that we can find right here in our home screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.